let's work on some more long leg lifts. Start with the version that's a regular with a twist. Do them in one spot for 30 seconds now. You did this move earlier, so this time lift your legs high and heartily while your torso twists and each arm reaches all the way to the opposite foot. 15 seconds to twist and shout and lift your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here's a new variety. It's long leg lifts to the diagonals with a twist. Do them in one spot for 70 seconds now. Your legs continue to rise and fall. However, on this version, your legs open toward the front diagonals. No longer are your legs working beside each other. Instead, they're split apart like a straddle in motion. Now add a twist at your torso and reach the hand for the opposite foot. Alternate right hand to left foot, then left hand to right foot. You've got to reach far and wide to get to that opposite foot on this version. This move may look a little strange, but you'll feel a fabulous stretch on your legs and back. Keep going with these long leg lifts to the diagonals while twisting. Memorize this move because we'll return to it later. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done.